So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we will be doing a project overview of Geira Island of Joy, Kharadi, which is located near Manshri Budruk, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Geira developers. And in this video we will be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Geira Island of Joy, Kharadi will be constructed on 12.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 12 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 3, podium plus 30 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 3 BHK duplex and 4 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट की सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे इन फ्रंट आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और इसी के साइड में दिख जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर इयन IT पार्क रोड, खराड़ी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है ढोले पाटिल कॉलेज विद इन 1.7 किलोमीटर, रिलायंस स्मार्ट विद इन 2.1 किलोमीटर एंड ऑल्सो Mundwa Kharadi Road within 2.6 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project. Project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, gymnasium, jogging track, kids play area, senior sit out area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Geira Island of Joy, Kharadi has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 3 BHK duplex and 4 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 676 to 828 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 931 to 1134 square feet and 3 BHK duplex starting from 1140 to 1302 square feet and 3.5 BHK starting from 1330 to 1505 square feet and 4 BHK with 1830 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Geira Island of Joy, Kharadi, which is located near Manshri Budruk, Kharadi, Pune, developed by Geira developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section. And for more such videos, click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.